Alright, I got the GoPro back in my hand this time. So right now we're working on a wardrobe that's gonna have a double door for like a hideaway gun rack. Oh, we're still super busy. Don't mind the car parts, mine. But I got a PC case going, water wheel. That's gonna be a wedding sign. There's another piece behind it's gonna be table. That's just a complete utter mess. It's gonna have to be cut up. We already fixed a table for her, so that's the one that we made before, and it just completely wigged out. Not sure what happened. Another oak clear table. We have 4 tables inside, and then still waiting on the hardware for the arm resting table. I'm not sure where I put it at the moment, but that's the door for that. Right now I'm cutting the little dividers for the shoes. I'm gonna put the top on, which is that piece, and then we're gonna lag up the door and then put the back on, and put a little gun rack in, make little cubbies for everything. But besides that, we got a tuner door to do, so pretty much it. And if you want to wrap the bench top in something different, like not do just wood, do like a upholstery type thing. There you go. Take the measuring tape, hold it like this on that line, on the very edge. $82 3/4, which means this one should be the same, which I'm not going to be able to tell right now. Yep. So we're only 1.25 away. Need a big square. It's a real soft spot right there in the wood. I just don't want to have to go buy more fucking ass. I'm going to turn it away from it. Yeah, I mean, I get that. What if we dark wool and everything? What if we take that cypress right there? Make a cypress fucking top. Like pop out? Yeah. Give it like a little different contrast. Oh, there's all types of fucking fucked up. Yeah, there's like 5% of base. Yeah, he'll be staying there. Right there. That's fine. I was like, I'll take this one, but I was like, yeah, you gotta walk all the way around to fucking get to it, so. We'd already put a canoe in the fucking car. How'd you like it? Hey, yeah, grab that. Pull it. Yep. No. Pull the sawhorse. I can't really get any closer though. There's a fucking planer. Yeah. Can't ask some stupid questions. My guy doesn't live too far, right? My guy doesn't live too far, right?
Is that when you yeeted this fucking board? Probably. They got some new crew member who's over there nailing fucking Luan to their plywood. They just gave up on the training video, like, you should figure it out.